Why did you do that, you stupid truck? I hate when they do that. Ow.
It's like you such a B word. The chat is back.
Yes.
Oh my Jesus, so bad.
We're gonna fucking die in a
Big hole. All the trees everywhere. Oh no.
There's that woman. She has no clothes on.
Oh, no, you're serious. I was like, oh, let's get that on tape.
Oh my grandma's tree didn't fall anywhere down.
This would be funny if, like, people are gonna comment on this video. They'll be like, I love that song. It gives it such a great mood of all the damage from the hurricane.
That's why I like this song. Makes me happy.
People are just gonna be
It's
jamming
so
out to
cute
this
for
song.
people who don't know what love is yet. Every once in a while, I just stop it and then start recording again. So
Yeah.
that the video's not too long.